Hey, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, rolls, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today I want to show you this very nice roll. We're here at Fabtech Chicago, checking out the latest technologies. This is a really nice 4-roll machine. If you're looking for a plate roll, let us know. We have a lot of different options, a lot of different manufacturers, really depending on the job that you're going to be doing. If you need something that's going to be CNC or manual, new or used, we can help you out. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Bertsch heavy duty plate rolls. Here's a Haeusler brought in by Bertsch. Nice heavy duty 4-roll plate roll. Got a really nice feature right here. This actually is going to go ahead and feel where your part is and adjust accordingly into the controller to make sure you get the perfect bend every time. If you're looking for a heavy duty plate roll, this might be the one for you. We'll go all the way around, let you see all the quality parts. Your light curtains, safety, again that bending apparatus. You can see it's kind of an interesting shape they've got on there. Now this is the Bertsch 4-roll plate roll by Haeusler. Well, we've had another great show here at Fabtech 2025 here in Chicago. Seen a lot of really amazing machines. Seen a lot of really similar machines, which makes it really tough to decide exactly which machine would be best for your product or for your company. If you give us a call at Sterling Machinery, 626-444-0311, we can walk you through all the different options of all the different machines, why one might be better than the other, which tooling might be best for you, and help you choose which machines you're going to need. Give us a call, check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you very much.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.